right, Todd's back, just recapping the weekend, and yesterday was kind of a bonus summer day.
Awesome.
Kids were like, swim, and I'm like, go, because
yeah, the water's
like
warm
Todd
too
says
right now.
You can't go. They went in, and we went there late yesterday. They were in the water 7 o'clock, 7:30 last night,
so nice
and they were like,
evening.
they said it was beautiful. So
Yeah,
I mean, the water.
We went down to the beach too, and walked the beach, and then we went and got an ice cream over in Scarborough, and yeah, it was just like, why can't we have more of these? Why can't we just get a few more? This week's going to be a struggle. This morning we have some issues. Flash flood warning up in the presidentials of New Hampshire. Some very heavy rain has fallen here. Some of the rain gauges are up and over 2 inches in a short period of time. Other issues are coming up from southern New Hampshire. These are reforming thunderstorms, and they continue to go over the same towns when they form. So areas around Rochester, New Hampshire, down to Dover, in some of the Berwicks, Sanford, right along the New Hampshire border. Be careful driving around in this area. You could encounter some temporary flooding. Doppler radar is estimating rainfall amounts around 3 or even more inches of rain in a fairly short period of time. So it's really coming down in spots. And the heaviest of the rain is on the west side of Sebago Lake. This is Sebago Lake right here. So near Sebago, moving up toward Bridgeton, over to Waterford, Oxford. The lakes in here, whether it's Long or Moose Pond, all of them are going to get hit by some thunder and lightning, and the heavens are going to open up and pelt your rooftops. We also have some heavy rain in Andover, moving north very slowly, so the roads here are likely going to be doing some hydroplaning and some temporary flooding on some of them. You've got Richardson, you've got Moose Lake McGuntick, and you've got Rangeley Lake, and all of those will be impacted this morning. And that continues right down Route 2 through Farmington, Skowhegan, and approaching Bangor, although in the city it's pretty quiet. Most of the action is to the west of the Queen City. Front is stationary over the coastline, so we'll be under the gun for a lot of the day. These showers, these storms will keep forming throughout the day in this very humid, almost tropical feeling air mass. And with low pressure to our west working our way, a lot of this week will be plagued by this same scenario. We're socked in too with clouds and some thick fog, and we've got the areas of heavy rain, so be careful if you're within them. Clouds dominate again through the middle of the day. Showers continue to form. It'll remain very muggy, but temperatures are actually going to drop a little bit. Our wind direction today is going to be more east-southeast and not south like it was yesterday. And this afternoon, while there won't be a ton of action on the radar, there will be a few showers, downpours, or rumbles of thunder still possible right on through sunset. And I don't think we're going to see much sunshine out there today. Temperatures early this morning are right around here and pretty much going to stay that way through the day. That very muggy flow continues tomorrow. Although our wind direction changes a little bit, we have a better chance to get a little midday sunshine. And then the system will be moving through for the second half of the week, Thursday and Friday. But we're going to have to watch out over the Atlantic. Remnants from Cindy, which are way out in the Atlantic, may actually get incorporated into this storm system and delay some clearing, and that would keep the threat for some tropical rain going Friday and perhaps into Saturday too, although right now I'm thinking Saturday is going to be a little bit better. Marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet, east wind 5 to 10 knots. So as we look at the 7-day forecast, you're not going to see a ton of sunshine in there. Probably don't see any today, but there will be a little bit tomorrow, a little bit on Wednesday, and more of a chance for some sun on Thursday. But again, the daily shower or storm threat will be with us. We'll keep an eye on Friday. That's when we have the risk for some tropical rain from the remnants of Cindy. Right now, Saturday looks good. Partly sunny, 75 to 80. And then we could be dealing with some more rain to finish up the weekend. And that's getting really close to, a lot of holidays. A lot of people on vacation.
Saturday's July 1st. So,
yeah,
just saying. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.